Your LinkedIn profile is a depiction of you. Like the way you leave no stone unturned to impress others, the same must be thought of for your LinkedIn profile. Undoubtedly, LinkedIn demands so much time and effort to be presentable. One mistake can take a good job, a client, or a deal away from you. Let's get into the lecture to look into the mistakes you must not avoid. No profile picture. Never leave your profile picture space blank. Your profile picture tells a lot about you, and without a profile picture, you might not seem credible to your recruiter or client or even customer. Putting a profile picture does not mean uploading any fancy picture. Take off the followings. Upload only professional photo. Make sure your face is properly visible in the picture. Take care of the proper lighting around you. Avoid to add any filters or stickers. Avoid duo or group photos and make sure you are alone in the picture. You don't actually need a professional photographer to have an ideal profile picture. All you need is a mobile phone with a good camera and some tidy professional clothes. No cover picture. Another common mistake is leaving your cover space blank. Cover photo is equally important as a profile picture. Having a clear cover photo that either portrays your expertise or you is must. No summary. Never leave your summary section vacant. Write a short and relevant summary about yourself, like what have you done or what can you bring on board for your company. Write about your expertise and experiences. Give your audience a reason why they must choose you over your competitors. Always remember to add CTA. It could be anything that you want your visitor to perform at the end when he/she visits your profile. Do not perceive LinkedIn like other social media platforms. I believe this is the most disastrous mistake people mostly commit. Nowadays, people have started using and posting on LinkedIn as they usually do with other social media platforms. One thing which is must to understand is that LinkedIn is different from other platforms. People on LinkedIn perceive and maintain a more of professional side instead of personal. Thus, it is very important to understand that whenever you post any article, image, or video, or even repost, make sure it has alignment with your professional presence. Being a dead audience. There is no success for dead audience, be it LinkedIn or any other social media platform. Dead audience are the users who remain inactive or perform no activity or comparatively less often, and their engagement is negligible. Having a profile on LinkedIn is just not enough. In order to fulfill your purpose, you have to stay active and engage in activities. But these words, I didn't mean to engage in irrelevant activities like 4-5 posts daily or spamming others' comment. Engage in activities that align with your profession or genres. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you can post your graphic work or appreciate some others' designer work by reposting it. Random connections. Throughout the course, I have been repeating the word relevant post, relevant connections, and it is must to acknowledge. Your profile is waste no matter if you have 500 plus connection, if your connection do not belong to your industry, or if they do not align with your profession. You can never extract benefit from the pools of connection. They are not the right prospect you are targeting. Having the right set of audience and connection is a must. Try building connection to those who can help you upskill in your field. If you want to achieve the best result with LinkedIn, you need to take full advantage of its features and benefits. These mistakes are very easy to fix. Go ahead and make some changes today if you are committing them.